Hello everyone. Welcome back to another episode of Microsoft Power BI PL exam series. This is your host Aapka Consultant bringing you episode 35. So those of you who are new to this channel, welcome. I have been doing this series for the past few months now. I know I have not been regular. I have was occupied with bit much of work. So yeah, but now I'm back and hoping to post one episode per day. So this is episode number 35, and today's topic is table or matrix visuals in Power BI. So those of you who are new to this channel, you can check out this playlist and watch all the previous 34 episodes where I have covered all the topics which are of the latest pattern and questions that are being asked in this exam. So yeah, that being said, let's jump to question number 35. So the question says, which visualization in Power BI allows for drilling down into data hierarchies within the same visual? Your options are A, pie chart, B, scatter, 3, matrix, and fourth, slicer. So those of you who are already aware of the pattern, I'm gonna pause the video here for 10 seconds. You can think what is the solution for this question. Your time starts now. So yeah, your time is up. Let's see what is the solution. So it's option C, metrics visual. So basically metrics visual in Power BI allows for drilling down into data hierarchies. We'll also see this with the help of an example in Power BI desktop of a sample report that I have. Let's jump and see the overall explanation for this question. So in this slide, you can see, which chart visual describes their functionality in Power BI. As you can see, matrix visual is designed to display data in a cross tabulated format similar to pivot tables in Excel. It supports expanding and collapsing rows or columns, allowing users to drill down into data hierarchies or roll up to see summarized data. This makes it particularly useful for exploring detailed data within a larger data set without changing the visuals. So that is where this visual comes in handy, and we can use this in for solving these types of question and also these types of problems in Power BI or in data analysis, right? So yeah, that covers overall explanation. Let's see the resources. As again, I've been doing this course from Udemy, called Microsoft Power BI Data Analyst, and there is an article on Microsoft Learn on this topic, matrix visual. Let's jump and see the article now. Yep. So I have this article of Microsoft Learn. It is a best resource to prepare for this exam. Creating a matrix visual in Power BI. As you can see, this is a sample report. Again, in the visual pane, you have this matrix visual right here, which is blue colored table likes. Beside table, it is present. I will also show in desktop. But yeah, for this article, you can just walk through it. Sharing your report with Power BI colleague requires you to both have individual Power BI Pro license or that you've saved the report in premium capacity. Again, it talks about how to create a matrix visual in visualization pane. As I was showing, this is the matrix visual. Once you create this visual, you can drag and drop the cat values in rows and columns. As you can see in this example, we have territory and city, like DETN is a territory. These are the cities. There is a expand option and collapse option that which comes when you drag two options in rows. As you can see, territory and city is there. In columns we have category, and in values we have total sales and total sales y, right, ly. So yeah, this is the feature and flexibility of this visual in Power BI. You can use it to show sales by territory in by cities, etc. And you have this feature of freezing rows. By default, row headers are frozen, which ensures to stay visible when you scroll horizontally. Unfreeze rows, yeah. So yeah, I will also paste this article link in the video description. You can go through this article. It will cover all of your topics, questions that are being asked on this topic, right? So now let's jump to the Power BI desktop demo. I have this sample report open, and I'm gonna create a matrix visual, which I was showing, right? It is beside the table visual. Click on matrix and expand it, right? Now I want to see basis on the products table. I have category ID, category name, product ID, product name, reorder level, unit price, unit stock. So let's click on category. Let's say category name first, and then product name is inside. So when you click on beverages, you have all these, right? And then you have maybe unit price in columns, not in columns, in values, right? So yeah, it's a decent matrix visual. As you can see, the sum of beverages is 451. If you expand it, you can see the individual unit price of each of them, right? In, for example, if someone wants to check out if of copy unit price, it is 46. Let's say you can see in seafood we have all these options, right? So yeah, Ikura is 31. So that is the best feature of matrix visual. You can expand, you can scroll, you can do anything with the data that is in your hand. So yeah, that covers, pretty much covers matrix visual visibility. Depending on the data, you can, drag, expand and narrow down. So yeah, thank you for watching. Look forward to see you in the next episode.